Hi, my name is Darren Martineau, and I'm the creator of Team Freedom. Team Freedom is our incredible marketing system, marketing funnel, and you can join free. So click on the link to join now. I'm going to talk a little bit about this program, what this is. First of all, if you're looking for a program where you have to do no cold calling, no prospecting, no bothering family member and friends, this is the best system. It's based on attraction marketing and other systems that we're putting in place. We give you free training. You get incredible amount of bonuses. We show you the very best affiliate marketing programs with recurring paying residual incomes, creating true passive income. If you want to create a true location-free, true passive income, many people will say, "Oh, passive income doesn't take work." Well, let's talk about that for a minute, okay? Um, you can write books. This is something else that I've done in the past. You can write books and you can put it on Amazon. You can get true passive income from that. However, you still need to do marketing to increase sales. So when we're talking about marketing, we're talking about something else. As an entrepreneur and as an investor, there's different levels to this. You'll figure out as a marketing, if you've been doing it for a while, like I have, you'll figure out that, what I used to think is that I have to do everything myself, which is simply not true. You've got things like Fiverr, you've got Upwork, you've got other things you can do. You can do trades with marketers, you can do all kinds of incredible things. But the point is, if you want to create true passive income, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Now, even if it's passive income, there's still going to be some kind of work involved in it, but it's not like a job where you got to clock in and clock out, etc. Now, what makes affiliate marketing so great is that the power of leverage. Okay. Now, you have a couple of choices. You can go out and you can do paid marketing, you can do solo ads, and I'm not saying that stuff doesn't work. I use it and it does work. However, if you do what Gary Vaynerchuk and a lot of the top marketers tell you to do, and that is create your videos and your social marketing, because you're going to create, you're going to become an influencer, you're going to create your own following. Because if you do that, you're going to save thousands upon thousands of dollars. Because even when you start to do the ads, such as Google ads or other things, you're going to have to lose some money just in order to test it, just in order to track it, just in order to do everything. Everything is going to cost you money. That's an investment. So in the beginning, you may invest a lot of money or you may invest a lot of time or one or the other. Usually you have either a lot of money or you don't have as much money and you have more time investing into it, which is to create videos. Now, on my videos, I'm going to review products. I'm going to recommend things. Okay. But the Team Freedom, what it is to clone our funnel. You can clone my funnel for free. I'm going to show you everything. Give you the emails, give you the training. You can join our Facebook group, and we're going to teach you how to make money online. So join now. Thank you very much.